When it comes to buying new tires, most drivers automatically reach for big names like Michelin, Bridgestone, or Goodyear, believing that a higher price always means better performance. But here is the shocker. Many overlooked budget brands deliver 90 to 95% of the performance of premium tires while costing 30 to 50% less. That's a potential savings of $300 to $600 on a full set of 4 tires. Even more surprising, many of these cheap brands are owned by the same companies that manufacture premium tires. In this video, we are breaking down the 7 cheap tire brands that are hidden gold mines for performance, reliability, and safety. And stick around until the end, because I will also show you a 4-point sidewall decoding trick that can instantly reveal whether a tire is a brilliant hidden gem or a dangerous piece of junk. Let's dive in. Brand number 7. Falcon. If you are looking for pure performance metrics per dollar, then Falcon is arguably the most technologically advanced option on this list. Owned by Japan's Sumitomo Rubber Industries, Falcon combines motorsport-inspired technology with affordable pricing. In many cases, Falcon tires cost 15 to 30% less than premium brands, while delivering comparable dry and wet road performance. The popular Zyx ZE960 All-Session Series has received excellent reviews for responsive steering, strong cornering stability, and dependable braking in rainy conditions. Some models are backed by treadwear warranties of up to 65,000 miles that make them a practical, long-term investment. Falcon also uses advanced silica-enhanced rubber compounds that improve traction while helping reduce rolling resistance, which can contribute to better fuel economy over time. Independent comparison tests frequently rank Falcon ahead of several more expensive competitors in handling and ride quality. If you enjoy confident driving without premium pricing, Falcon is one of the best hidden values available today. Brand number 6. Firestone. Firestone has been around for more than 125 years, and while many people think of it as an old-fashioned brand, but it is actually owned by Bridgestone, that is, the world's largest tire manufacturer by revenue. That means Firestone benefits from advanced Japanese engineering, extensive research, and rigorous quality testing. Yet many Firestone models cost 15 to 30% less than comparable Bridgestone tires. The Firestone all-season and weather grip tires are known for dependable wet braking, stable highway handling, and excellent ride comfort. Several models carry treadwear warranties of up to 70,000 miles that make them a smart, long-term investment. Firestone also uses full-depth tread grooves that continue evacuating water as the tire wears, helping maintain traction throughout its lifespan. Independent testing often places Firestone above several mid-range competitors for braking performance and overall value. If you want premium engineering without paying premium prices, Firestone is one of the safest budget choices available. Brand number 5. General Tire. General Tire is one of the biggest hidden bargains in the tire industry, despite having over 110 years of manufacturing experience since it was founded in 1915. Today, the brand is owned by Continental, that is, one of the world's top 5 tire manufacturers. When Continental runs its multi-million-dollar European compound research labs, then those identical safety innovations and stopping distance polymers are integrated straight into General's production lines to maximize manufacturing scale. The good news is, General tires are still selling at prices that are typically 20 to 35% lower than comparable Continental models. That price difference can save drivers $200 to $400 on a full set without sacrificing everyday reliability. One of General's biggest strengths is tread life. The General Altimax RT45 comes with a warranty of up to 75,000 miles that rivals many premium touring tires that cost significantly more. Independent tire tests have consistently praised its wet braking performance, quiet highway ride, and stable handling during emergency lane changes. The tire's full-depth siping helps maintain grip as the tread wears, meaning traction stays more consistent over thousands of miles. Whether you are commuting daily or taking long road trips, General Tire offers premium-level confidence at a budget-friendly price that make it one of the smartest value purchases most drivers never consider. Brand number 4. Nexon Tire. 20 years ago, very few drivers knew the name Nexon, but today it is one of the fastest-growing tire manufacturers in the world. The biggest reason behind Nexon's remarkable rise is its impressive portfolio of original equipment partnerships. The company now supplies factory-installed tires to more than 30 global automakers, including premium brands like Porsche, BMW, Hyundai, and Mercedes-Benz. That means millions of new vehicles leave the factory every year riding on Nexon tires. That alone says a lot about the company's engineering standards and manufacturing quality. What makes Nexon even more impressive is its value. Despite meeting the strict quality requirements of major automakers, replacement sets typically cost 20 to 35% less than many premium competitors. The Nexon N-Prize AH8 and N-Fera AU7 have earned strong reviews for their quiet ride, dependable wet weather performance, and impressive tread longevity. Several Nexon touring tires are backed by warranties of up to 80,000 miles that put them among the longest-lasting tires in their price range. Their computer-optimized tread design helps distribute pressure evenly across the tire, reducing uneven wear and extending usable life. Many drivers are surprised by how refined these tires feel on long highway trips, with low cabin noise and stable handling even at interstate speeds. When you combine long tread life, factory-level quality, and affordable pricing, Nexon easily becomes one of the best values that most shoppers completely overlook. Brand number 3. Toyo Tires. Toyo Tires has built an outstanding reputation among enthusiasts, off-road drivers, and everyday commuters by delivering premium performance without always carrying a premium price tag. Founded in 1945 in Japan, Toyo now sells tires in more than 100 countries and has become a trusted supplier for passenger cars, SUVs, trucks, and high-performance vehicles. While some specialty Toyo models are premium-priced, but many touring and all-season tires cost 15 to 30% less than comparable Michelin or Continental options while delivering exceptional quality. The Toyo Extensa All-Season 2 series is especially popular for its responsive steering, excellent wet weather traction, and comfortable highway ride, with many versions backed by warranties of up to 75,000 miles. Toyo's advanced silica-enhanced tread compounds improve grip in both dry and wet conditions, while helping reduce rolling resistance for better fuel efficiency. The brand is also famous for its durable truck and SUV tires, including the Open Country series, which has earned a loyal following for its long tread life and dependable off-road capability. Independent testing frequently ranks Toyo among the top performers for ride comfort, stability, and tread durability. Brand number 2. GT Radial. GT Radial is one of the biggest hidden success stories in the tire industry. Manufactured by GT Tire, one of the top 10 largest tire manufacturers in the world, the company produces well over 70 million tires annually and sells them in more than 130 countries. Despite its global reach, GT Radial remains surprisingly affordable, with many models costing 20 to 35% less than premium brands like Michelin or Bridgestone. The GT Radial Champiro Touring All-Season and Max Tour LX are highly regarded for their balanced all-season performance, dependable wet braking, and quiet highway ride. Several models are backed by treadwear warranties of up to 70,000 miles that make them an excellent long-term value. GT Radial invests heavily in research and development. It operates advanced testing facilities in Germany, the United States, China, and Indonesia to refine its tire technology. Brand number 1. Uniroyal. And finally, the number 1 absolute gold mine brand everyone ignores is Uniroyal. Uniroyal is Michelin's best-kept secret. Michelin is the gold standard of the tire world, but they are incredibly expensive. To capture the budget market without lowering their premium prices, Michelin uses Uniroyal. Their legendary Tiger Paw Touring All-Season series is built utilizing Michelin's core manufacturing infrastructure and runs on their proprietary TrueLast technology, which mechanically balances the tire's footprint shape to distribute stress evenly and prevent premature shoulder wear. Bonus brand, Lexani Tires. Lexani is an excellent budget-friendly tire brand if you are looking for reliable daily performance without paying premium prices. Many of its passenger car and SUV tires cost 30 to 50% less than premium alternatives, while still meeting strict U.S. safety standards. The Lexani LXU-HP-207 is especially well known among drivers seeking a combination of comfort, quiet operation, and sporty handling. Advanced tread grooves improve water evacuation that help to reduce hydroplaning risk during heavy rain. Although Lexani focuses on affordability and many drivers report respectable tread life with proper maintenance and regular tire rotations, the brand has expanded rapidly in recent years thanks to positive customer reviews and improving product quality. For drivers who want attractive wheels paired with affordable replacement tires, then Lexani offers impressive value without the premium price tag. That's all for reliable and cheap tire brands. As promised, let's discuss how you can protect yourself when shopping for cheap tires. No matter what the brand name is, the rubber doesn't lie. Look for these 4 specific markings molded directly into the sidewall. Number 1. The UTQG Treadwear Rating. Look for the word treadwear followed by a number, like 500 or 700. This is a government-regulated rating of how long the tire lasts. A rating of 100 is the baseline. If a budget tire has a treadwear rating of 500 or higher, it uses a hard, durable compound that will easily last you years of daily driving. If it's under 300, it's going to wear out fast. Number 2. The traction grade. Right next to it, you will see traction followed by letters AA, A, B, or C. This measures the tire's ability to stop on wet pavement. Never buy a tire rated B or C. Legitimate budget brands like General or Kumho will almost always carry an A rating for traction. Number 3. The load index and speed rating. Near the tire size, you will see a number and a letter, like 91V. The number is the load index. Make sure this matches or exceeds what your car's manual requires. The letter is the speed rating. Daily drivers should look for H, V, or H higher to ensure the tire can handle highway speeds without overheating. Number 4. The DOT date code. Find the letters DOT followed by a string of characters. Look at the last 4 digits, for example, 1226. The first 2 digits are the week of production, and the last 2 are the year. So 1226 means it was built in the 12th week of 2026. That's all for this video. 8 cheap tire brands that most people ignore but could save you hundreds of dollars without sacrificing safety or reliability. Now we want to hear from you. Have you ever used one of these tire brands? Or is there another budget tire that's been surprisingly good? Share your experience in the comments below. I will see you in the next video.